Yesterday, Chief Minister of Karnataka, he has visited Tumkur to inaugurate the State Olympic Games. In that occasion, I invited him to my house for lunch. So he participated in the Olympic Games as well as in my house lunch also. He has taken the lunch and then he went to the stadium and where he inaugurated the Olympic Games. So after that he has returned to Bangalore. That's all the development of the yesterday. Apart from that, there is no political discussions as well as any of the other developments pertaining to the expansion or giving opportunity and all those things are not at all discussed. Not at all discussed.
So, a group of months oppose Rahul Gandhi visit Ayodhya.
You see, that is not correct. Visiting Ayodhya temple, Rahul Gandhi has got every right to visit it. But nobody can question it. It is not their property. Rama is not their property of RSS or BJP or anybody else. Rama is omnipotent. So he is always remembered by the Hindus of the world, not only India. So Rahul Gandhi, as a devotee of Rama, he has got every right to visit any Hindu temples, including Ayodhya Rama temple. So those who are all opposing that, they are all anti-Hindus. So they should not oppose it. My personal view is RCB, because of RCB only so many 8 to 10 members, they were youths, they have lost their life. So when there is no adequate precautionary protection for the spectators, till such time no IPL should be held in that ground.
So lastly, BJP protest in Ballari.
You see, being an opposition party, they have got every right to protest. Let them do it. It is all politicalization. You see, Siddaramaiah ji went on Padayatra from Bangalore to Ballari. Now they are planning to come to Bangalore from Ballari. Let them do it. There is nothing wrong in it. It is their right also.
BJP also with Padayatra to
Padayatra?
ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, let them do it. No problem. Because being an opposition in the state as well as a ruling party in the nation, so they have every right to organize their party. To organize their party, they are using this Padayatra as also one of the arm. Let them do it.